guys, Steph here. Okay, now I know some of you enjoy the before and the after videos, so yet again I'm going to do, well, we're having another one today, a before and after. Now, to show you the before, what we're going to do, we're going to go back to one of my pen haul videos and show you the pen before. Here it is. Parker 51 there in, is it burgundy? Yeah, I'd say burgundy or maybe brown. The thing about this particular one, if you look at the cap there to the bottom, all the plate is actually worn there, down at the bottom. Okay, you can see the clip is sprung. We need to do something. We've got marks on the cap. So what I'm actually going to do with this particular pen, because the rest of it looks okay, so what we'll do, we'll restore the pen, but because it's got plate loss to the bottom there you go, you can see patches of it, doesn't look very nice. The only way you can sort of rectify that, and there you go, you got little dings there where the clip has been. Okay, so what I'm going to do with that particular cap, I'm going to customize it. I'm going to do one of my customizations on the pen, and then once we've done a customization on the cap, restore the pen, what I'll do, I'll show you, we'll do another review, and this will be the before, and then hopefully we'll show you after. And here's the pen afterwards. What we've done, we've popped it into a lovely Parker box, as you can see there. If we open it up, there we go, we've got this sort of pink silk lining. So let's take the pen out and show you what we've done to the pen. Doesn't it look gorgeous? So as you've seen in the early video there, we've got a Parker 51 in this gorgeous burgundy colour, but what we're doing is concentrating on the cap to show you what we've actually done with it. Look at that. So what I've actually done to the cap, I've actually engraved many lines onto the cap to give it this, yes, I would say like a tree bark effect. Okay, let's show you a different angle. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's lovely, the texture, you can actually feel the lines, it feels absolutely lovely. So again, what we've done, we've applied, or we've engraved this lovely pattern to it, and then yesterday I received the cap back from a gentleman that does my gold plating. The cap has actually been gold plated in 24 karat gold. You can see the clip there, we've straightened that out now, everything is fine with it. We got rid of most of the dings, and then as I say, we applied this pattern, sent it off to the gold platers, and it's now come out like this. To the very top, what I've actually done is replace the normal sort of brown, sorry, not brown, the grey jewel, and I've put this semi-precious cabachon to the very top there to actually match the burgundy sort of colour to the pen. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm more than happy with it. So what we've got now is a cap that is, well, anybody would be more than happy, more than proud with it. From the original cap, which had lots of wear to it, lots of dings, and to be quite honest with you, maybe most people would have actually discarded it, thrown it away, but now we've resurrected the cap, and it looks, in my opinion, it looks absolutely stunning. And the pen itself has been fully restored, everything has been fully cleaned. You can see the feed underneath there. Everything is gorgeous and clean as it should be. It's an aerometric fillet, as you can see there. Okay, a gorgeous burgundy Parker 51. Let's put the cap back on, and there we have it. An absolutely lovely transformation. And now what we'll do, we'll find a new home for it. And the nice thing about this cap is it's a one-off. It was hand engraved. There's no other cap like it, so you know, basically the new owner will have a one-off sort of, if you like, a bespoke cap. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's just finally just see if we can give you a close-up of the gorgeous sort of, as I said, it looks like a tree barked effect. There we go. If I turn it round for you, in absolutely gorgeous pattern, and now in gorgeous condition. So there we have it. And the nice thing about it, I got a Parker box because I think this pen deserves to be in a lovely presentation case. And there we have it. So the new owner, whoever buys this pen, I'm sure is going to be more than happy with this customized cap. And there we have it. So I hope you've enjoyed the before and the after. Let me know what you think about the cap. I'm always interested to find out people's opinions on it. Some people will say, you shouldn't be doing that with a cap, but in my opinion, when it came to me, it was a sad state. Again, some people would discard it, throw it away. In my opinion, I thought it was better to sort of customize it. As I said, we've had it gold plated, 24 karat gold plated, and I think now it looks absolutely beautiful. So don't forget, leave a comment below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Just down there, give that symbol, the thumbs up symbol, press that symbol to give the video a thumbs up. And again, don't forget to subscribe, the important thing. Just for now, I'm going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me in this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.